Sorry? Helen, bring me in the dance hall racket.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode on the Fibromancers YouTube channel. I'm your host Megan. If you're new here, hi, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back to the spooky internet coven. It's like a million degrees right now, and for those of you who don't know, I don't have air conditioner, and I talk about this every summer or like on Instagram. If you hear my fan going in the background, there's absolutely nothing I am going to do about it because I literally, with the ring light, it's really hot right now. Let's see if I still got this in me because like it's been a while since I actually did like a sit down in front of you and not a vlog. This video is going to be about the Halfway to Haunts make along. If you don't know what that is and you want to find out, keep watching. And for those of you who know what it is, this is just a little update as to what's been going on with it. So let's go. So for those of you who want to know what it is, let's just start off with this. The Halfway to Haunts make-along is a make-along, and for people who don't know what a make-along is, it's basically like a, kind of like a book club, but make it crafty, okay? So a make-along is you're making something to go along with the theme. The theme being, obviously, Halloween or anything autumnal. If you've seen my stories over on Instagram, if you're not following me, go over there, give it a follow. You're gonna have seen that I am working on a dress with some spooky blue Halloween fabric, and that is gonna count towards it. It's also a project, personal project for an upcoming trip that I have planned. That is just one thing. Or, you know, you can knit something. A lot of people are knitting because normally there's a lot of knit-alongs, but there's no like restriction as to what you can create. You can do a bunch of DIYs if you want that are just like autumnal crafts project. I would just like to reach my fingers into the crafty community and pull you all in. If you're not part of it, there is a Discord group, and I'll make sure it's linked down below, where it's just pure, unfiltered, crafty Halloween chaos. And it's just really fun. So if I caught your attention with the idea of what this is, let's talk about the timeline. So obviously it started in May. I started every year in May. This is the second year that I am doing it. And it runs all the way until Halloween. Come then, it ends and there'll be like a prize. I guess I just dropped the P word. There are prizes for those of you who participate. Currently, I have been donated a few things. They are all knitting related, but now that all of the Code Orange stuff is out, I hope to acquire some more for those of you who want to participate, who aren't, you know, knitting oriented. Rolling along, I'm running a giveaway for those of you right now who are participating in it. So if you didn't know how to enter or be part of it, first of all, be in the Discord group so I know you're actually like, so we're part of the family going on here, all right? Second, use the hashtag. Third, make sure you tag me on Instagram in whatever you're posting, because the algorithm, like, that is the mythical creature over there, I have no idea, and I am missing a lot of posts, and so the best way to make sure that I see what you're doing is to tag me in it. That being said, this is going to be the first giveaway for the Halfway to Haunts make-along. This is 2 skeins. It's reading a little darker on camera in Dragon Horde Yarns, the Summer of the Witch colorway. All right, so you have until, this video goes up until, we'll do July 31st, okay? That gives you a week to enter posts. I am not going to make a like giveaway post on Instagram. This is your announcement for it, so be on top of that. Each entry from when I announced it in the Discord group, so from then until the 31st is going to count towards this giveaway. If you are interested, let me tell you about this a little bit more, other than it is Dragon Horde Yarns Summer of the Witch. This is on her Myth Sock fingering weight, which is a 75/25. And it is like multiple shades of purple and my favorite swamp green. There are some warmer plum tones with some cooler, almost indigo colors in here. Some yellow, some green. It's just perfect. So those will be yours. Does that cover everything? This is a very short video. Let me know down below if you have more questions, or you can always shoot me a DM on Instagram, or, you know, or you can message me in the Discord group. My gosh. I'm trying to read my notes, make sure I got everything. Whew, it is a hot one. I hope you guys are all having a very fun summer, and remember to stay hydrated, my fellow creeps out there, because it is a scorcher. Did the Massachusetts side throw? So that being said, I know this is a very brief video, but I just wanted to drop this because, like I said, I haven't been making a lot of podcast episodes for the Fibromancer Knitting Podcast lately. So I just wanted to make sure you guys all know what's going on, and if you missed it because you're new here, hi, you know, this is for you. This is your chance. You don't have to be good at anything, like you don't have to finish anything, but like let's spread that crafty love of all things spooky and autumnal, because that's what we love here. And so until next time, I love you all and have a great one.